Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making Christmas cookies, but it is also going to be my last video of this year. In my bowl I'm going to beat together butter, and caster sugar. I'm going to add in 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, finally I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and flour. I've lightly dusted my surface with some flour. I'm now going to take my dough. And roll it out. Now I'm going to take my cookie cutters and cut out different cookie shapes. I'm now going to bake my cookies in the oven for 10 minutes. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. In my bowl I'm going to add icing sugar, egg white, three tablespoons of water, two tablespoons of liquid glucose, I'm now going to split my icing into 3 different bowls. Now I'm going to add a few drops of colour into each one. I have put my colouring into a piping bag. I'm now going to pipe the outline thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a lovely Christmas and a happy new year. I will see you all again in 2023.